Thinking about installing smart home technology in your Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania home? Before you start buying devices, make sure your home's electrical system is up to the task. Most homes built over 20 years ago aren't designed for today's smart tech demands. Many of them have outdated wiring and panels that can lead to overloads, tripped breakers, and poor performance. Not to mention, many smart switches and outlets also need neutral wires, which older homes often lack. Without them, your devices won't work at full efficiency. That's why your first step should be a full electrical assessment. Having an electrician check your wiring, look for safety issues, and review your home's power capacity can help you better prepare for your smart upgrades. Next, check your Wi-Fi network to make sure that it's up to speed. Any weak connections or dead zones will quickly ruin your smart home experience. Of course, always choose devices that work within the same ecosystem as your hub device. This will help you avoid connection issues and make expanding your smart home system easier. And always choose products that support future upgrades. Planning for scalability can save you time, money, and frustration as technology evolves. Last, but certainly not least, make sure to set a realistic budget. Getting smart home tech isn't just about the gadgets, it's also about the wiring, installation, and network improvements too. Ready to get started integrating smart home tech into your Monroe County home? Call Shafnisky Electric or visit us online for a free consultation today.